See here, this is what we're starting with, man. We getting started right away. We're gonna start on the front lip. And this is some of the stuff you guys are gonna need. You're gonna need a fender washer. That's the size, around that size. Just something that, you know, will fit whatever screws you use. We got this screw right here. You know what I'm saying? That's the size of the screw. You guys see it? And then we got some more fender washers. Then we got these toggle bolts. And that's what's gonna go up inside. You know, what you'll see right now, I'll show you what we're gonna do with it, but this is all the stuff that you need. And then you need this step drill bit as well. So that's all the stuff you guys are gonna need, man, right there. You guys see it, and I'm gonna show you the whole process right now. Me and my boy Gio, you see him, go follow him. Check out Gio, man. All done up. You got your carbon fiber lip on?
Yeah.
See him on the bags. You guys thought I was low. Jeez, stay tuned for my carbon fiber hood. Carbon fiber canards, carbon fiber lip. You see my boy Gio, man. Sheesh. All right, we about to pull this thing up and get it started, man. Starting with the front lip. Get a little cold start for you guys. You ready? Let's get it. Man, it's cold. All right, so you guys know I got the springs on there. I might have to drive this up on a block to get it up there. Oh yeah, I just have to drive up on a block or a weight. Think a weight will work? Yeah, huh? See why not?
Yeah, put the jack on. I picked the car up.
Fucking Gio. You serious? Oh, okay. You're gonna put it under while Gio picks it up. Let's see.
Ready?
Yeah. Wait up. Nah, that's not enough. Barely. Barely.
Barely.
Alright, let me get something to drive up on it. Alright, so we got it up on some wood. See if this thing goes. And if you guys aren't lowered, you won't need to do this if you ain't lowered and if you don't have a big ass jack like this. Oh, I need just a little bit more. Maybe if I back it up and then we could just put that on top of these. Yeah, you think it'll work? Yeah. All right, so we had to improvise a little, and that should be good. Yes, sir. We are good. All right, so this is how we're gonna do it, guys. We got it on the jacks already, as you can see, and we got the lip right there. So we're just gonna drill 2 holes on each side with this right here, this bit, and as you can see, I got them all laid out. That's how we're gonna do it. I showed you guys the hardware. It's gonna be 2 of these on each side, and in between is gonna be 1 of these. So you guys will see as we go, but that's pretty much the layout. 2 of these on each side, 1 in between each. So it goes that, the little butterfly thingies right here, 1 of these, 1 of those, and then in between, you guys see, will be 1 of these. And we got the washers. So yeah, you guys see it. And then 1 of those in the middle. You see the whole process. About to drill the holes out on the lip, and then we'll continue from there. So we're gonna go as close to this as possible, yeah?
I think you're gonna have to take your screws off. No? Yeah.
No, I asked him and he said we shouldn't. Watch, if we put it over there, he said it wouldn't reach. It doesn't reach, huh? I think we gotta be a little in from the line, because if we do the line, then it would be like right on the edge, no? So if we did it like midway, then it's gonna get right under it. Right. So I think like right around here.
Yeah.
So if we go there, and then we'll put a screw in between, and then go all the way over here for the next one, and then there'll be a screw right in the middle. So say like right around there for the next butterfly one. About 45. So 22, that would be the middle. All right, so as you guys can see, we got it all marked where we're gonna go. It's gonna be a butterfly, and then in between each of them is gonna be a screw like I showed you guys. So all those marked are all the butterflies. So we're about to drill it right now with the little step, that's what it's called, yeah? With the step drill bit, and then we'll get it going. So we want to drill the hole big enough to where this thing could fit through it. And the good thing about this is, you know, it's gonna give you factory holes and you get to pick the size. Just take your time with it. All right, so boom. So you guys see it, just big enough for this thing to go through. And then once it's in there, it's gonna open up on the inside of the bottom of the bumper, and it's gonna hold it like that. So boom, it'll stop it from, that's why you guys don't have to take off your bumper or anything, because once this thing is through, it's gonna open up, and then we'll tighten it up with this, and we'll be good to go. That bit works pretty good. Yeah. Good ass fucking holes on.
Perfect.
All right. Does that look even? Right here? So that's 14. I get nervous doing this type of shit because I'm like a perfectionist in a way. Like, even if it's a little off, it's not gonna matter, huh? I mean, they're all gonna be in there. Boom, that one's good. Yeah, that one's perfect. And shout out to Alex from Chrome and Carbon, because he's the one that recommended all this to me. So it doesn't come with hardware, people. You gotta go and buy your own hardware. But if you hit up Alex, if you get one from Chrome and Carbon, you know, he'll tell you all the steps that you need to take and what he recommends. Right, there it is. Got all the drills. I mean the holes drilled, and then the other ones we don't need to drill holes for those.
Nah, we're just gonna screw it on there.
Yes, sir. All right, bro, we ready to do this? Yeah. Let's do it.
Let's mark it up.
Mark it up.
Let's mark at least the edges. Drill the hole.
Oh yeah, you right.
And then drill the rest.
So you good over there?
I'm good over here.
All right, so that's a good idea from Gio. We're just gonna mark the edges right here. That way we could get it on there, and then we'll just drill the rest. So we don't need to mark the whole thing. Sheesh, this shit's gonna look clean, bro, I'm telling you. I'm getting hyped now. The part that takes me so long is just doing it, because I get nervous, like, oh, this is like, you can't go back after you start drilling.
Yeah.
This is, you know, ain't no going back. Got it? All right. So we got it marked. So I'm gonna drill this, and you wanna go a little bit at an angle. Right. All right, we good. So we got the holes, and now what we're gonna do, put one of these, and this like here, right here. Screw this in there a little bit, and then once we get it in there, it's gonna tighten it all up. Boom. Boom. And you heard it. That's what you want to hear. That means it's in there, and then we just tighten it up. Leave it a little bit loose, but hey, there it is. It's working out so far. We got the first side on. Yes sir, those things work good. Good looking out, Alex. And the only reason I put another washer is because this washer was too big, so I had to put a smaller one. What do you think, Gio? How's it? Pretty good, huh? Pretty legit, huh?
I'm probably gonna get some for me.
Yeah, dude. Shout out to Alex. Boom, and you can hear it. You hear it click. That's how you know. Alright, so we're gonna drill the rest of the holes, and all we're gonna do is put some pressure on this side, and then we'll do the same on that side. That way it lines up flush. Alright, so you guys see it, man. The little washer, big washer, and then this going this way. That way it could go right in it. And I'll show you guys. First we're gonna see if it's big enough. If the hole is big enough. It isn't. I'm gonna hold it up real quick, Gio. Pretty much all you do is put this thing in there, and boom, you hear it, and it's in there. Now they're all good to go, and we can tighten them up, and then we on to the next one. And if it ain't tightening, just hold these little washers. Make sure you don't smash your fingers. Don't tighten them all the way until you got all of them in there. See how it looks. Pretty flush, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, man. Sheesh. Got the carbon fiber lit, bruh. Good to tighten it all the way now, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, bet. Yeah, I'm hyped, bro. Alright, now we can tighten it. Now I'm almost on Gio's level, bro. I just need a couple more carbon fiber pieces and a wrap. Huh?
You already passed me?
I don't know. I need a wrap. I need a damn system. I need the carbon fiber hood. Right. And now, in between, we're gonna put some of these. So what I'm gonna do here for this screw, just to get me started, I'm gonna drill a little tiny hole just to get me started, make it a little easier. That should be good enough to get me started. All right, good to go. That should be good enough to get me started. Boom, there it is. You guys see it? Can't see it too good right here, but hell yeah. That thing was hard, boy. You guys see it? Did butterfly, regular screw, butterfly, regular screw, all the way across. As you guys can see, there it is. That's the whole process, man. That's how you put on the carbon fiber lip, or whatever lip if this is how it is. If it's not like an add-on little piece, or you know, a piece that comes pre-drilled with hardware and all that, it's a good way to do it. Shout out to Alex from Chrome and Carbon for letting me know. There it is. Now we just got the side skirts and the diffuser. So here it is, guys. All done up, man. It's a couple days later, not gonna lie. More than a couple days. Sorry I've been slacking on the uploads, guys. The gaming channel's been going crazy, man, but we got more content on the way, don't worry. You know, we gonna get right back to it. But you guys see it, man. It's all installed, looking nice, you know what I'm saying? And don't worry, we got the I'm gonna show you how to do the side skirts as well. You know, I'm gonna show you how to do the wing. You see the wing, little sneak peek for you guys. You know, but you're gonna have to stay tuned for all that. And then we got the diffuser coming as well. So you guys see it, man. I did get this stuff right here from Chrome and Carbon. I'll put the link for you guys in the description. If you do get one, man, make sure you guys let me know and let them know I sent you. But let me know for sure, that way I know, you know, I'm sending people over there. I would greatly appreciate that. This is just the start, like I was telling you guys. This is just the very beginning. We got a whole lot more on the way, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do it each step of the way. So stay tuned. You guys see the merch if you're interested in it. All links are down below in the description. If you do enjoy the content, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any content, man. Drop a comment down below, tell me your guys' thoughts. I appreciate it all greatly, man. It all helps tremendously in the channel's growth. And the more we grow, the more, you know, better content I'm gonna be able to bring. You know, the more dope stuff like that I'm gonna be able to do. Cause look, man, we're barely getting started. This thing's still damn near stock. Aside from the little stuff that we added, man, we still got a whole long way to go. So stay tuned, guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Until the next one, who is LouieXIII checking out? Salute.